Okay, good morning children. Today we are going to do the exercise of the straight line, that is exercise 3A, third Roman. Now, see this first question. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point 3, 84 and making x and y intercepts which are in the ratio 2:3. Here it is given x and y intercepts. So, which formula we have to use? The intercept form of straight line. Intercept form of straight line. That is x by a plus y by b equal to 1, and this a is called as x intercept, b is called as y intercept, and the ratio of the intercepts are a is to b is equal to 2:3. So, a by b equal to 2/3, which can be written as 3a equal to 2b, which implies a is equal to 2b by 3. Now, what we have to do? Substitute in this particular equation. So, here x by a plus y by b equal to 1. In place of a, substitute here 2b by 3 plus y by b equal to 1. So, it will go in the numerator, that is 3x plus y by 2b, and this is b equal to 1. Take LCM, this is 2b. So, 3x plus 2y equal to 1. Cross multiplication, 3x plus 2y equal to 2b. Let this be equation 2. Now, what is the point it is given? 3, -4. Since this straight line, I am writing ST means straight line. This straight line passes through 3, -4. Substitute in equation 2. So, what will you get? 3 into 3 plus 2 into -4 equal to 2b, which implies 9 minus 8 equal to 2b, which implies 1 equal to 2b, that is b is equal to 1/2. Now, substitute b equal to 1/2 in equation 2, that is 3x plus 2y equal to 2b. So, what will you get here? 3x plus 2y equal to 2 into 1/2, 2 gets cancelled. So, 3x plus 2y equal to 1, which implies 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0 is the required straight line. Now, the second question, find the equation of the straight line passing through the point 4, -3 and perpendicular to the line passing through the points 1, 1 and 2, 3. So, first there are two conditions here. One is that straight line is passing through two given points. Another condition is that we have to find out the equation of the straight line which is perpendicular to this line. For example, we can just, if you take, suppose these are the 2 points, this is 1, 1, this is 2, 3, then there is one particular point here 4, -3, which is making perpendicular to this particular line. So, we have to find out the equation of this particular straight line. So, for this, first what we are going to do is equation of straight line passing through which points? 1, 1 and 2, 3. The formula is y minus y1 is equal to y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2 into x minus x1. So let us take here y1 is 1, again 1, y2 is 3, 1 minus 3, x1 1, x2 2 into x minus 1. So here we will get minus 2 by minus 1, minus minus gets cancelled. So y minus 1 is equal to 2 into x minus 1, which is equal to 2x minus 2. Now y is equal to 2x minus 2 plus 1. That means 2x minus 1. So this is the slope form of the straight line. What is this? Y is equal to, this is in the form of y equal to mx plus c. So from this we can find out m is equal to 2. So this is the slope of this particular straight line, which we write it as m1 is equal to 2. Now what is the condition given? It is given that it is perpendicular. That is, since m1, m2 is equal to minus 1. Since the lines are perpendicular. So what is m1 here? 2. 2 into m2 equal to minus 1, which implies m2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is the slope of this particular straight line. Now we have to find out the equation of that. That is equation of straight line passing through which point there? 4 comma negative 3 with slope m2 equal to minus 1 by 2. That is y minus y1 is equal to m2 into x minus x1. So here y1 is minus 3. That is y minus of minus 3 plus 3, m2 minus 1 by 2, x minus 4. Now cross multiply this. So 2y plus 6, which is equal to minus of, here minus x plus 4. Then bring all this to this side. So 2y plus 6 plus x minus 2 equal to 0, which can be written as x, sorry, this is 4, x plus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the straight line. Okay children, third question. Show that the following sets of points are collinear. Find the equation of line L containing them. What do you mean by collinear? All the points will be lying on a straight line. So we have to show that these all the 3 points are lying in the straight line. For this, what is the condition we are going to use is, first let us take equation of the line is passing through 2 points. That is equation of straight line passing through points negative 5 comma 1 and 5 comma 5. So again the formula is y minus y1 is equal to y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2 into x minus x1. So again see y minus y1 means 1, y minus 1 is equal to y1 minus y2, 1 minus 5, x1 minus x2, this is minus 5, x minus of minus 5 plus 5. So what you are getting here, y minus 1 is equal to minus 4 by minus 10. Cancel this, this is 2, this is 5. So x plus 5. Now, so what is your answer? Y minus 1 equal to 2 by 5 into x plus 5. So multiply this side. 5y minus 5 is equal to 2x plus 10. Now bring this to this side. like this also we can bring it. So 2x plus 10 minus 5y plus 5 equal to 0. That is what? 2x minus 5y plus 15 equal to 0. Now we have to prove that it is collinear. So see that 10 comma 7 lies on this particular point. That is, since to show that the 3 points are collinear, see that it passes through ten comma 7. That is 2 into 10 minus 5 into 7 plus 15 equal to 0. So 2 into 10 is 20 minus 35 plus 15 equal to 0. 20 plus 15, 35. So 35 minus 35 equal to 0. So 0 equal to 0. That means all the 3 points are lying on the same straight line. Here we proved that the set of these 3 points are collinear. And what is the equation of the line? That is nothing that equation of the line is 2x minus 5y plus 15 equal to 0. Okay na children? In this only I am going to explain another model. Here also we have to prove these 3 points are collinear. So again you will be writing here equation of straight line passing through A comma B plus C and B comma C plus A. So how are we going to do this? Here y minus, again the same formula, y minus y1 is equal to y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2 into x minus x1. So what is y1 here? B plus C. So y minus B plus C. What is y1? Again B plus C minus C plus A by what is x1? A. What is x2? B. Here it will come x minus A. So what you are getting here is y minus of B plus C is equal to B plus C minus A by A minus B. This and this gets cancelled and you are getting here x minus A. So what you got here? B minus A by A minus B into x minus A. This B minus A can be written as minus of A minus B, because minus A minus a minus B is plus B. So we can write it like this, by A minus B into x minus A. So this and this will get cancelled. Now what is your answer here? Y minus of B plus C is equal to minus 1 into x minus A. Now y minus of B plus C is equal to minus x plus A. Bring all this to this side. So what will happen? Y minus B minus C plus x minus A equal to 0. So what you are getting here? X plus y minus A minus B minus C equal to 0. Now the point C comma A plus B passes through let this be 1, equation 1. So what will happen here? C plus A plus B minus A minus B minus C equal to 0. You can see C minus C, A minus A, B minus B, everything is getting cancelled. So the following 3 points are collinear. So we can write down therefore the following 3 points are collinear. Okay na children? And the equation is x plus y minus of a plus b plus c equal to 0. See children, this is the fourth question, last question in the third Roman. This question has been divided into 4 parts. First I am explaining the first part. There A, B and C are the vertices of a triangle. So find the equation of line B. Let us draw the figure of a triangle. So what is this? A, B, C. So let the point be 10, 4. B is negative 4, 9 and C is negative 2, 81. So what they asked? They asked the equation of the straight line of AB. So it is very simple. 2 points are given. So as usual we are using the formula y minus y1 is equal to y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2 into x minus x1. Here what we are having, x1 comma y1, you can take it as 10 comma 4 and x2 comma y2 you can take it as negative 4 comma 9. Now apply in the formula, y minus y1 is 4. Next y1 minus y2, 4 minus 9 by next one x1 minus x2, 10 minus of minus 4, that is 10 plus 4 into x minus x1, that is x minus 10. So what you are getting here, minus 5 by 14 into x minus 10, y minus 4. Now cross multiply there, 14 into y minus 4 is equal to minus 5x plus 50. 14y minus 56 is equal to minus 5x plus 50. Bring this to this left hand side. So 14y minus 56 plus 5x minus 50 equal to 0. So what you are getting here? 5x plus 14y minus 56 minus 50 minus 106 equal to 0 is the equation of line AB. Now the second question what they have asked is the median through A. But what actually do you mean by median of a triangle? Suppose if you take a triangle, this is the triangle, suppose these are the vertices A, B and C, then median means from this vertex you are drawing to the opposite side and this is the midpoint. That means median means the straight line joining from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. This is called as the median. So remember, it will be the midpoint. It is not 90-degree angle. It is only midpoint. So this equation we have to find out. Equation of straight line AD. So how are we going to find it out? Here it is given 10 comma 4. And what is B given here? Minus 4 comma 9. And what is C given here? Minus 2 comma minus 1. So first we will find out the point D vertices, coordinates. For this, you know in coordinate geometry midpoint formula. What is the formula? If x1, y1 and x2, y2 are the vertices of a triangle, then the midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. That means midpoint formula. Midpoint of any line, any straight line passing through x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So now we will find out midpoint of D. Midpoint of D. So midpoint of D here, what is x1? Minus 4. What is x2? Minus 2 by 2 comma. Next one is what? y1 plus y2. 9 minus 1 by 2. which is equal to what? Minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6, minus 6 by 2 is equal to 3. 9 minus 1, 8 by 2 is equal to 4. Now we got here, this is minus 3, sorry, this is minus 3. So D point is minus 3 comma 4. Now we have to find out equation of AD. So equation of AD means here you have seen that A 10 comma 4 and we will consider D minus 3 comma 4. So this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So y minus y1, y minus 4 equal to y1 minus y2. See 4 minus 4 by x1 minus x2, 10 minus or minus 3 plus 3 into x minus 10. But you can see here 4 minus 4 you are getting 0. 0 by 13 into x minus 10. So it will be 0 only. This whole will become equal to 0. That is y minus 4 equal to 0 is the equation of AD. Okay children, the third question, the altitude through B. Now what do you mean by altitude? All of you know that altitude is called as also as height, perpendicular distance. Perpendicular means only 90 degree. So here when we take a triangle A, B, C. So when we take from this particular vertex and it is drawn perpendicular to the opposite side, means 90 degree, this is called as altitude. Remember, the line drawn from the vertex which is perpendicular to the opposite side, means which is making 90 degrees, called as altitude. But here it is asked through B. That means we have to take this condition from B. Means we have to find out equation of straight line BE. So again write down this particular point 10 comma 4, negative 4 comma 9, C is negative 2 comma negative 1. Now here we have to find out this one. So how are we going to find it out? Here BE is perpendicular to AC. So first find out equation of straight line AC. Again the same thing, A is 10 comma 4, C negative 2 comma negative 1. So this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Again y minus 4, okay, equal to y1 minus y2. 4 minus of minus 1 means 4 plus 1. x1 minus x2, that is 10 minus of minus 2 means plus 2 into x minus 4. So what you are getting here, y minus 4 is equal to 5 by 12 into x minus 4. So which can be written as, if you see, cross multiply here, 12 into y minus 4 is equal to 5 into x minus 4, which implies 12y minus 48 is equal to 5x minus 20. So how will we write here? Implies, because 5x is positive, you bring this to this side. That is 5x minus 20 minus 12y plus 48 equal to 0. That is 5x minus 12y plus 48 minus 20 is how much? 28 equal to 0. But we have to write in the slope intercept form. That is why write it as minus 12y is equal to minus 5x minus 28. That means y is equal to minus 5 by minus 12x minus 28. Minus minus gets cancelled and you are getting 5 by 12x minus 28. That means m is equal to 5 by 12, which can be considered as m1 is equal to 5 by 12. So now what we can do is, it is given that altitude, that means it is perpendicular. That means since BE is perpendicular to AC, we write it as m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So m1 is 5 by 12 into m2 is equal to minus 1, which implies m2 is equal to minus 12 by 5. Now, equation of line BE passing through B negative 4 comma 9 and slope m2 equal to minus 12 by 5 is, see here, y minus y1 is equal to m2 into x minus x1. So y1 here is 9, y minus 9, m2 is minus 12 by 5, x minus x1 is plus 4, minus of minus 4, cross multiply here, 5y minus 45 equal to minus 12x minus 48. Bring this to this side, 5y minus 45 plus 12x plus 48 equal to 0, which implies 12x plus 5y plus 3 equal to 0 is the equation of the straight line BE. See here children, the fourth one, the perpendicular, whenever you take any particular straight line, suppose you are taking one straight line like this. So, this is your A and B. This is called as perpendicular bisector. What is the meaning of perpendicular bisector? Means this particular straight line is making 90-degree angle and also it is bisecting into two equal parts. That is the meaning of the perpendicular bisector. So, here actually in your triangle, what you can consider is, in this particular in your triangle like this is your triangle, this is A, this is B, this is C. So, your perpendicular bisector is this one. You can consider this as a perpendicular bisector. That means what is A here? 10 comma 4, B is negative 4 comma 9, let this be considered as O. So, O is the bisecting this particular line AB. Already we have found the equation of AB. So, what is equation of line AB? Is nothing but 5x plus 14y minus 106 equal to 0. Write in the slope form of the straight line, that is y is equal to mx plus c. So, 14y is equal to minus 5x minus 106. So, y is equal to minus 5 by 14 x minus 106. So, here what is m? M is equal to minus 5 by 14, which you write it as m1 is equal to minus 5 by 14. Now, since O is midpoint of AB, therefore, coordinates of point O, that is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So, now see in your here what you are getting here 10. So, equal to x1 plus x2 means 10 minus 4 by 2 comma what is the next one? 4 plus 9 by 2. So, this is nothing but 6 by 2, that is 3 comma 13 by 2. Now, only I told you that it is perpendicular bisector means perpendicular. Therefore, since the lines are perpendicular, what we can say that m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. So, what is m1 there? Minus 5 by 14 into m2 equal to minus 1. Minus minus gets cancelled. Therefore, m2 is equal to 14 by 5. Now, equation of perpendicular bisector of line AB passing through three comma 13/2 and slope M2 equal to 14/5. So what is that? Is nothing but y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So what is y1 there? 13/2. What is m2? 14/5 into x minus, what is 3? Now see here, take LCM, that is 2y minus, what you are getting here? 13, which is equal to 14x minus 42/5. Okay na children? Now you multiply, cross multiply here. 5 into 2y minus 13 is equal to 2 into 14x minus 42. That is 10y minus 65 equal to 28x minus 2 into 2 4, then 4 into 2 84. Bring all this to this side. 28x minus 84 minus 10y plus 65 equal to 0, which implies 28x minus 10y minus 84 plus 65, 14 minus 5, 9 minus 19 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the straight line. Here today we have completed Roman 3 also from exercise 3a. In this particular last problem, you can see there are three main things to be remembered. What is median, what is altitude, what is perpendicular bisector. Then only you can do this particular problem. So 3a exercise is completed. Thank you.